Alright, today we're talking about my PS Auto 20,000 pound adjustable trailer hitch. I've got this exactly a year ago and I've been pretty impressed with it. The fancy gold coloring is all gone. That doesn't bother me too much. These pins are super easy to adjust. I live in Utah, so we're out in the snow. They get dirty and whatnot. There's not too bad wear on it. For a year. I like the fact that you can just pull the pins, adjust it up and down. You can mount it in the rig both this way for a 2 5/16 inch ball, or you can mount it this way for a 2-inch ball. I liked it so much I bought another one for my son, and the upgraded one has a screw right in here that will tighten up against these plates. These are metal plates. So when you put it in the hitch, you can tighten a screw back in against the hitch and it'll keep it from rattling completely. Other than that, it's held up really well. I was skeptical about buying the lower priced ones on Amazon. I didn't know what the quality was or which one or which company to go with. I went with this PS Auto one. Liked it so much I bought an additional one. So I hope this kind of review and the way it works helps you. This is a 2-inch. It's nice and solid. This connecting bar. These things are rated at 20,000 pounds. I've got a Jeep and a Jeep trailer and a 7-foot or 7 by 14 foot enclosed, and I tow all over the West with them. Put a lot of miles on this hitch and haven't had any problems. So that's kind of my thoughts on this PS Auto hitch. Thanks for watching.